Dear friends, today also we brought you some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 30 stocks including Bajaj Steel, Yukon, PNB Glitz, Everest Industries, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Pavna Industries Limited, Pavna Ind, current market price rupees 448. Pavna Industries announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Pavna Industries, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Ex-date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 1st September 2025. Kama Holdings Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2,936. Kama Holdings announced a dividend of rupees 18.25 per share. 25th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Repco Home Finance Limited. Repco Home. Current market price rupees 376. Repco Home Finance announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. 25th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. SP Apparels Limited, SPAL, current market price rupees 758. SP Apparels also announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. 25th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Bajaj Steel Industries Limited, share is trading around rupees 506. Bajaj Steel Industries announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 26th August and 27th August respectively. JBM Auto Limited, JBMA, current market price rupees 633. JBM Auto announced a dividend of 85 paise per share. Ex-date is fixed as 26th August and record date is fixed as 27th August 2025. Root Mobile Limited, Root, current market price rupees 890. Root Mobile announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. 28th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Gujarat Pipavav Port Limited, GPPL, current market price rupees 157. Gujarat Pipavav Port announced a dividend of rupees 4.2 per share. 28th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Jyoti Labs Limited, Jyoti Lab, current market price rupees 345. Jyoti Labs announced a dividend of rupees 3.5 per share. 28th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Abhirami Financial Services India Limited, current market price rupees 53. Abhirami Financial announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. 28th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Vedant Fashions Limited, Manyavar, current market price rupees 778. Vedant Fashions announced a dividend of rupees 8 per share. 28th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Magna Electro Castings Limited, current market price rupees 1183. Magna Electro Castings announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 28th August 2025. Yukon India Limited, Yukon, current market price rupees 992. Yukon India also announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 29th August 2025. Procter & Gamble Hygiene and Healthcare Limited, PGHH. Share is trading around rupees 13,402. PGHH announced a dividend of rupees 65 per share. 28th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Shilp Gravers Limited, current market price rupees 233. Shilp Gravers announced a dividend of rupees 2.1 per share. 29th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. PNB Glitz Limited, PNB Glitz, current market price rupees 106. PNB Glitz also announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 10th September 2025. Gillette India Limited. Gillette. Share is trading around rupees 10,423. Gillette India also announced a dividend of rupees 47 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 26th August 2025. Finalex Cables Limited. Fin Cables. Share is trading around rupees 851. Finlex Cables announced a dividend of rupees 8 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 4th September and 5th September respectively. Ratnamani Metals and Tubes Limited. Ratnamani. Share is trading around rupees 2,445. Ratnamani Metals announced a dividend of rupees 14 per share. 2nd September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Valiant Communications Limited. Share is trading around rupees 980. Valiant Communications announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 11th September 2025. Lakshmi Engineering and Warehousing Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2,325. Lakshmi Engineering announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 11th September 2025. Uttam Sugar Mills Limited. Uttam Sug. Current market price rupees 267. Uttam Sugar Mills announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. 12th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Everest Industries Limited. Everest Int. Current market price rupees 630. Everest Industries announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. 12th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Sandhar Technologies Limited. Sandhar. Share is trading around rupees 444. Sandhar Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 3.5 per share. 12th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. J. Ushin Limited. Current market price rupees 689. J. Ushin announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. 19th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Delton Cables Limited. Current market price rupees 672. Delton Cables announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 9. Indo National Limited. Nippo Battery. Current market price rupees 481. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. 19th September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share.